Today is January the 10th, 2017, and my family is together at this point, and we have just received a third letter from our parents with about 18 photos attached to it that we appreciate very much. Though of course we're saddened not to hear more about weddings and deaths and the boat and all of that, but we hope that everything is going well for our family, and things here are going about as can be expected, but the third letter was delivered very quickly, seemingly, since we received it on January the 4th and you apparently wrote it on January the 1st. So whoever is, he apparently puts Canada Post to shame, since I can't get a letter to my grandmother that fast when I'm in Canada. So I hope Canada Post is ashamed. But we were buoyed to receive your letter, and for the first time we have hope that things might wrap up soon, God willing. And I hope that you let all of our friends and aunts and uncles and grandparents know that we miss them and we hope to see them soon. Papa, I hope that you let F&B know that we're looking forward to seeing them, and Michelle and everybody else. And God willing, this all wraps up soon, and it doesn't inconvenience anybody any more than it already has, God willing.
And I would just like to say to all of my family and extended family and in-laws that if we all come out of this safely and alive, then it will be a miracle. And I would also like to say to my father specifically that I think you would like to know that my time in married and my time as a mother and my time in prison, that I have become more of a Belle than an Ariel.